Well, as I'm beginning to restore this Tandy's keyboard, washing the keys, and getting rid of this cocaine dust. Oh, it's corrosion, not cocaine dust. They really did not make these keyboards easy to fix, because you have to desolder each one of the key switches, and if you think that's hard enough, you can't take out the key switches, and then you have to pry out all these key switches out of the damn board. Because I gotta put new conductive graphite coating on the contacts in them. But I might be able to get away with pulling these out and doing it that way. I think I can do it that way, I'm not sure yet. But yeah. Some of these keys even work too, which is the funny part. But the only key that I want to work is the brake key. When you hit reset and brake, it goes into TRS Model 3 Basic. So I could do all the commands and shit. But yeah. So that's where I'm at now. I'm giving keys bubble baths and figuring out how to go from the key switches. I figured out how to boot my TRS Model 3 to cassette basic. You turn it off, hold the brake button, and then turn it on. There you are, cassette basic. Now let's see what keys work. Where's my Sharpie? I'm gonna mark the ones that don't work, because I'm not gonna take all these fucking things out. Some of them still work. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 doesn't work. Oh, I'm actually gonna scratch it. Mark the damn thing. 7 doesn't work. 7, 8, 9, 10. That key doesn't work. What was it? This key? That key doesn't work. That one don't work. We know the brake key works. C, W, E, R, T, Y, V, I, N, T. Oh, I guess that's back. We all know that works. What's that? A, S, D, F, G, H, J, H, J, K, Shift. That works. Oh, that one works. Oh shit. Oh. What key is this? What does it work? Or Shift key don't work. Shift Z, K, C, B, B, N, M, slash. What key is this? Whatever this key is. Second shift key don't work. Okay, and space, which also doesn't work. Okay, so the ones that I've marked don't work. So let's try again. I believe this one's clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. 7 kind of works. Okay, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 0. Okay. It doesn't work. C, 0, C. Those keys work. S, T, F, G, H, H. That works. That's the clear key. That one don't work. C, key don't work. And that key don't work. So out of all the keys, only 1, 2, 3, and 4. Only 4 keys on this side of the keyboard don't work. That's not bad. Let's see how this does. 7, 8. Ooh, that one's a little crunchy. 7, 8. That one's intermittent. I'm gonna mark that one. Want it reliable. Okay, so 8. That one doesn't work. Yeah, it works. Nice. So now I know how to run basic. It's nice to know. Okay. Today I'm going to start working on the keyboard. Alright, so the 12 key is fixed. So now, let's go down my row. That one's broken, and that one's broken. And of course our space bar is broken. Well, they'll be fixed soon. So far so good. There's only 4 broken keys on this keyboard. Shouldn't be a problem. Both shift keys are broken, so that's something. 14. Yep, 14. Oh, 41. Okay. Move one, make sure they're. Yep. Move it. Nope, that one don't move. Nope, that one don't move. Clear it up. Nice. So, pry under the key. Yep, that's how you do it. You pry under the key, and it comes out. Look at that. Let's get this one apart. It's the new method now. Don't pry on the damn tabs, just pry under the key. I so happen to be lucky with mine. I've been in there for a while because, and I like to take my pencil and clean the corrosion off of them contacts. Gets it nice and clean. Then, I like to test the continuity of each graphite pad. Makes continuity. I'm just gonna test my little sand pad. Oh, the sand pad. Oh, well, that's fine. to go on the thing. Now that should make a nice connection. Just like so. Put back in the key. And go back in. Yeah, there we are. So now we have a new key. Redone. Yep. Yep, that makes good connection. Put it back in. It's that simple. Okay. I put this one. I don't know if it was. I guess it was top. I don't know. I guess it really doesn't matter. How does it? I guess it is on the bottom. I don't know. Alright. Now to solder it back in and test it. That's back in. Let's put our keyboard back in. Don't touch that switch because that shit will shock you. Alright, let's see if it all works. Spacebar still works. Here's all of our fixed keys. 7 dash shift. I don't even know what that does. Shift spacebar. It all works. Nice. Alrighty. I've been letting these keys soak for a while. So you can see they're filthy. I'll be making some key stew. Get the strainer or colander, whatever the fuck you call it. Let's pour our keys in the colander. Just don't mind this disgusting ass mess. Well, that's something.